Welcome back to $55, taking it to 500K step by step, screen recording every single trade. This is day number 10, and we've taken the account to 4,000% gains, which was sent out by one of the Discord members, A1 Trades. Shout out to A1 Trades. He ended up getting funded $100,000 of trading capital with this strategy, with this trades that we're about to show you in this video.
Stop and profit. All right, so I think I'm just I'm just gonna sit down, bro. Like just
Generate results like these, or these. Guaranteed profits and always risk management number one. The reason I would like to clarify this is because this style of trading is not sustainable and I have years of experience, so I'm pushing prop from ALGO to the max to get these results. With using prop from ALGO to set the trade, get high probability setups, and walk away from the computer, let the trades go into profit and have your stop in profit done automatically. We're going to talk about the 3.0 trading view update of prop from ALGO, which I'm using currently to get these trading results shown in this video. An update coming for lifetime members only. This is going to change the game. You're not going to have to be worried about always looking at your trade. You could literally take your trades, go hit the gym, go out and about, watch a movie. This is the new way of trading. Stop over leveraging. Stop having complications of figuring out what lot size you need to use to enter. And it's designed by prop firm traders for you to be able to manage prop firm accounts. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this. Get ready and make sure you stick around through this video, because in this video, I'm going to give away some free gifts for very few lucky people. So go ahead and like this video, smash that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out all the free content that I'm going to be giving you guys in this channel. Let's go ahead and dive right into it.
Trading day number 10, flipping $55 into 500,000.
All right, let's get straight to it. Look at the GRE40 plus 242 pips on the last buy. And then we have a profitable trade of 423 pips on the last shorts. So what am I looking for this week? I'm looking to go long on the German 40 index. We have a bullish confirmation with the white candles. And I want to point out that these institutional entry lines are in perfect alignment of the 4-hour support. You can see that there is a rejection on that wick. It touched the 4-hour support and flew to the previous high. So we're looking to do the same exact thing and waiting for price to come to our entry instead of just entering blatantly. So I'm going to screenshot this and send it to the chat. New week, let's kill it. Sending some new trade ideas to the private VIP Forex chat right now. Let's make some moolah. German 40 trade idea long. Looking to have price come down to the de-institutional entry line, which is in alignment of the H4 auto support zone of prop from ALGO. I highlighted it in yellow so you can see it clearly, and you can see that there was a strong reaction to that level. Also, the new dashboard on TradingView has been added this week for me to test out before the launch. So far, it's looking very promising. I will be making a full tutorial on the new update very soon, but for now, let's get to these trades taking $55 to 500K. So what I'm doing here is I'm setting my alerts at the institutional entry line, specifically the D line. I can use these signal alerts to notify me on my phone, but I'd rather just put the alert right before the entry line so I can anticipate the entry rather than being rushed into the trade. So letting everybody know, 19172.8 H4 buy setup on German 40. I also see a play happening on XAUUSD, mainly that bearish candle on the daily. Huge push to the downside. So being that price has fell so much, I'm anticipating for a slight pullback and then a continuation. I want you to notice this right here. It's part of the 3.0 update. It's giving you auto supply and demand, which currently is in alignment to the B institutional entry line, which is the line that's way down there. Now that we have our daily analysis, we're going down to the 4-hour. These are the new reversal alerts in the TRF line that is a trend reversal flow. And if we go on to the 1-hour, I'm not sure if you guys remember in the previous videos where price came to the TRF line and it tunk. It was a UJ, I think it was. So I'm looking for price to go back to the institutional entry lines and then a continuation to the downside based on the higher time frame. This approach is going to save you so much. Look at the H4 support while trading on the 30-minute time frame. We could see that price blasted right there at the H4 support. And in the new update, you can individually control each entry line and how many signals you want per retest. By putting these values lower, you're going to see the signal disappear and just have less signals per confirmed trend. Typically, I like to have less signals for the smaller time frames and more signals for the higher time frames, but just this last one here is a total of 9,000 points on XAU. So these are the trades that I'm taking, and applying top-down analysis together is how I find these high probable setups. So looking at the 30-minute, while being aware of the H4 support, here we could see price blast up to those entry lines and then follow down with a continuation of the bearish trend. So a lot of people will go long here at the institutional entry lines because they see price going up. We're going short. We're doing the total opposite of most retail traders. We're trading with the trend and we're trading with the institutions. This is the TRF line that's colored in green, showing a bearish trend formation before prop from ALGO's trend candle colors. We could use this for multiple reasons. In the last videos, I literally was saved by exiting there before price came back down. And looking over here, just notice how price is respecting it so well. And you have the auto supply and demand right there in alignment to the D institutional entry line. Another reason why I'm interested in this trade, and if I were to take this trade, I'll have my stop loss right behind the previous swing high, and I mean behind it. So just in case price goes there, we have some buffer. And the TP at the previous low looks super solid, a good risk to reward. And again, I'm putting my alerts before the entry line, so that way when price starts to make its way to the entry, I'm aware. I'm prepared for it. I could see how the candles are reacting. I'm not just entering for no reason. And when I say no reason, I mean, let's say you're only on the 5-minute time frame and you're not aware of the 30-minute, and you're not aware that there's a solid supply zone there where price can reject. So by being aware of the higher time frames, you could stay away from those 5-minute entries that are at a crucial level of resistance. Same with the support. We're here at the 4-hour support. If we zoom in there, we'll probably have some 5-minute shorts, but we're not taking 5-minute shorts at a heavy level of support. Another cool thing that we have is the dashboard. You can see the difference between buyers and sellers and the amount of orders there are in the market. You can use this to your advantage by only taking short signals when there is a high percentage of selling volume. Let's go ahead and share this analysis to the chat and let everybody know what I'm looking at. But we have A1 Trades sending out a trade. Let's see what this is. He's saying going long right now. That is just about an hour ago. Let's see what he's doing. Okay, yeah. So notice that he's not taking those 5-minute short entries because we literally said it. It's at the 4-hour support. So anticipating for price to push up towards the 4-hour setup, it makes sense. So I actually like his long trade idea. It's in alignment to the 4-hour time frame. And again, we're not taking short signals at the 4-hour support. Look how many times price has rejected there. I like that he's looking at the 5-minute entries going long in alignment to the 4-hour setup. So I'm going to share that and let everybody know and tag A1 Trades. Let's start planning an entry on the 5-minute, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to put my stop all before taking this trade. So the 4-hour support, the previous swing low, let's put our stop loss behind that. So just in case it goes down all the way over there, at least we have that little wick and our stop loss behind it. Notice that we're executing on the 5-minute, but our stop loss and take profit are based on a totally different time frame. So our take profit is based on the H4, and we're entering on the 5-minute setup in consideration of the higher time frame price action. So we're going to make this entry, and I'm going to set up a 40% risk because we're flipping this account. And with the next pivot, I could literally just go to the next previous high and low with a simple click. This is why I love prop from ALGO. And once I click buy, the lot size is created for me automatically. So literally going to risk $678 on this trade. But if I win, it's $1,500, which is double the amount that I'm willing to lose. So this is a good risk to reward. So we've taken the trade and now it's just waiting for the market to do its thing. So we're just going to hang tight and let this thing play out. Hopefully we make some money. And the reason why I say hopefully is because this account should not be trading a 0.64 lot right now on XAUUSD. We're up 10 pips, so we're in profit. But yeah, risking 40% is crazy. But the reason why I have a level of confidence is it's in alignment of the higher time frame. Plus, look, the buy volume is plus 51%. So we should see this thing blast off. Let's see how this thing turns out. And notice actually, this is interesting. The TRF line, look, you see it's literally supporting price right now. The candle is hitting the white TRF line, and you can see it's a level of support. So that's good to see. And it's also indicating a pre-development of a bullish trend. The bullish trend is confirmed with the white candles, and the TRF line is giving you the alert of a possible new trend before it even comes. And look at that. The TRF line literally pushed price back up. We're up. So I'm going to take a screenshot. We're up 33 pips on XAUUSD. Shout out to A1 Trades. Let's go. Solid entry and currently up 30 plus pips right now. I really hope that this helps for you to see the process and how I approach taking signals provided by prop from ALGO together with using top-down analysis. And one of my favorite things is with prop from ALGO is the ability to automatically put my stop in profit. And in this example, it would be a good time to put your stop in profit using the 2.2 beta risk manager for a risk-free trade. I'm going to send this out so just in case whoever is following along, they can protect their account unless they have proper risk management and only risking 1%. I want to see what A1 Trade said. He said 2663 around the institutional lines and target back down to the bottom around 2603. Really awesome to see. I have to react to it. Hit some little fire emojis. Let's go. Super solid right now. We're going to let this thing ride out and I'll see you in a bit. I'm going to show you while we're here how to put your stop in profit using the prop from risk manager. You can do one click and that's available for all members. Just one simple click and your stop loss is placed in profit. Or you could hit the auto button if you're a lifetime member and then have it placed automatically into profit. So if you're away from the computer and have a VPS, then you can set up an automatic stop in profit as a lifetime member. With the Risk Manager 2.2, you can also have an automatic trailing stop. So here we're setting when we want the trailing stop to activate, which right now it's currently set at 629 points. And at the bottom here is how far away from price do we want the stop loss to follow. In the input above, I'm actually going to change it to make it start trailing now. We're going to put 400. See, right now we're up 43 pips. And look, it started trailing right away. As soon as I put 400, it's going to start trailing. And that 350, that means it's 350 points away from the current price. So that's another automated feature for lifetime members using the risk manager. Really, really helpful. And so far, we're up 45 pips on this trade. But I'm not going to have the trailing stop on. I'm actually going to just take it off. I was just showing you how it works. And if you want to use it, then that's how you do it. So to turn it off, you just got to hit the auto and now it will no longer use any automated features within the Risk Manager 2.2 for lifetime members. One thing that really makes Prop from ALGO stand out from the rest is just providing a dashboard. Whoa, what? Look at that. We just had to push crazy. 56 pips right now. Let's go. Awesome. I'm going to update the chat now that we're here just talking about this. Screenshot, send it out. 55 pips, XAUUSD. The trade idea sent out by A1 Trades. Let's go. And also tagging the premium so that way they see these messages. We like to share these trade ideas within the community so that way you can learn hands-on in real time. And this signal was sent out 3 hours ago and to all the members of Prop from ALGO. Not only do I share my trade ideas, but I also respond to others sending out their ideas like here in correlation of the higher time frame retracement back to the H4 institutional lines is looking very solid. So now that we're inside of this trade, let's see if there's anything that might go against us. All right, so I'm looking at the 24-minute. Look at this level of rejection. I'm making this zone very, very tight between the wicks and the candle close, as you could tell. So right here could be a possible level of resistance. I like to draw these zones out myself while still using the top-down analysis feature inside of the algo. So here I'm turning on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and notice that I'm trading on the 24-minute while still being aware of major support and resistance of other time frames. Let's go. Wow. 87 pips secured. Right now the account is at 2,700 with starting $55 and documented every trade. It's so awesome. All right, we're going to screenshot this and I'm going to send it out to the chat. 84 pips XAUUSD in the Forex chat sent out by A1 Trades. Let's go. Let's go. Solid. This thing is blasting. Blasting. But let's not get too excited. Let's be aware of the possible resistance that may have a reaction to price. In order for us to see a continuation, we need to see this thing break. So to be super safe, you can place your stops in profit when you're fighting a resistance like we see here. A great time to do partial close and stop in profit. All right, so price is almost at the possible resistance that we drew up. So let's go into the smaller time frames in the 5-minute and see how candles are reacting here. So far, we have 3 rejections. We want to see this candle break this zone. If it's struggling to break, then why hope for the trade to continue? Let's screenshot this and let everybody know. Here is the possible reversal that I was talking about. So we're at this level right now. While up 100 pips on this trade, I'm going to screenshot this and send it out to the chat. This trade is looking amazing. And with being 100 pips in profit right now, this could be TP1. Seeing this resistance, price may come back down for another entry, break above, retest, and then continue. And the prop from ALGO dashboard is confirming that there is way more buying pressure than selling pressure right now. 150%. Crazy, crazy. So it very well might break above, retest, and continue to blast. Let's see how this turns out, and I'll catch you guys in a few. All right, so price is hitting the 1-minute entry, but while at the possible resistance, making this a risky trade. But since I'm already in profit, maybe I'll do another entry. All right, so we're up right now, and we have a risk-free trade. We have alerts going off. Just by hitting that buy signal, I have my risk automatically set. Let me just hit OK. You could get these signals right here that you see right on your phone if you're a lifetime member. And the discount on the lifetime membership offer is coming to an end. So hurry up now and go to propfromalgo.com. Another great thing about being a member at Prop from Algo, here Goran is asking about what is happening right now. So we're literally going to explain to him, even though we already shared it. If you look up and go back, then you can learn from the trades that we sent out. All right, so here at the 4 hour, remember the B institutional entry line? I want you to notice this. I'm making a yellow circle there and another one here. You could see that the candle on the left rejected there and then it became support. So I'm going to explain the H4B institutional entry line is the area of interest where it could be a strong possible rejection. And we're monitoring on the smaller time frame. So monitoring on the 5-minute and currently the overall trade idea, in order for it to be valid or continue to be valid, we need to see this level break. A confirmation would be a break and a retest to see a continuation. Now back on the 24-minute time frame, notice these yellow circles here. If you look to the left, the candles are telling you where these levels are. So Prop from Algo does it for you. But I've been doing this for such a long time, so I can see these levels very clearly. This level currently is a huge factor in this trade. Why? Because it's acting like a brick wall. And A1 Trades did point out earlier that it is in alignment with the H1 sell setup. And this is why it's important to look at multiple time frames. If we're not aware of this 1 hour sell setup while going long, can really make us have a disadvantage while trading. So by being versatile on multiple time frames, we have a clearer picture of the possible price action and just areas where we might want to put our stop in profit or close out the trade. So I'm going to screenshot this and send it out to the chat and just make sure that everyone's aware of what is happening. This is why I was saying earlier, it's a safer approach in cases like these to just put your stop in profit, just in case. All right, sweet. So the 1-minute entry is in profit now, and I'm going to hit stop in profit with one click. And here I could choose individual trades to control and place my stop in profit. This is extremely helpful if you want to, let's say, put stop in profit to one trade and then leave the other trade open. honestly, it's the best when you just put your stop in profit and let the trade play out. So we're going crazy with this flip challenge. We're currently risk free. Let's go. All right, so price is still struggling to break that 24-minute time frame zone, which was also very prominent in the 30-minute time frame. We need a clean break, and that's what we're missing in order for this trade to continue to be valid. But we're risk-free, so we're just letting this thing play out. And in the meantime, I will continue to update the chat with what I see in the markets. So let's see if this second position survives or if it gets closed out in profit. We're going to let this thing run, and I'll catch you in a few. All right, so we're going to get stopped out in profit. It's so close right there. Yeah, and it, yeah, right there. Yep. Okay, so the first position, we're still up 80 pips, risk-free. Taking that 1 minute entry right at that level of resistance was pretty stupid, but yeah, we're having fun. This is what it is. Flipping accounts. This button and hit stop in profit. So I have another risk-free trade. Beautiful setup happening right now. Almost 200 pips profit with this trade idea. Price is seeming to break through that resistance, which is a good sign, but we may see a rejection at the B institutional entry line. So I will be updating the members in the Forex chat, making them aware that we're fighting against this H1B institutional entry line, which makes me consider maybe closing out. Because look, we're up over 200 pips right now on these positions, totaling up for almost $1,000 in profit. Well, over $1,000 in profit right now, and the account is almost up $4,000. And honestly, because it's a flip challenge, we're almost doubled on the account again. I'm just gonna secure these profits. Since the leverage is huge and these lots are huge and the account is small, let's secure the bag. Another great feature for lifetime members for Prop from ALGO is the mini dashboard. Here, we can close out all trades with one click. Another amazing feature of Prop from ALGO. Now, I don't know what's your favorite part of trading, but seeing these numbers, 2,933% gains, is absolutely crazy. I had the account all the way down to $23 or something in this challenge. In the previous videos, if you watch, I almost blew this whole entire thing. Now, I gotta be careful because I haven't lost in a while, so the losses are gonna come. And that's something you just can't prevent. There's no such thing as a 100% win rate. So that's why it's important for risk management to be in place. All this flip challenge stuff is fun, it's exhilarating, it's stressful, but not recommended. Don't do it unless you've been trading for a long time. And even then, I've been trading almost for 6 years, literally almost blew the account, and it's screen recorded, so you could watch the videos. Look, 40% gains on one trade, bro. What? It's crazy, man. This is insane. And now for the very last trade of day number 10, where we take this to 4,000%. I'm going to show you step by step, and don't forget to stick around for the giveaway. Good morning, guys. We're up 2,000. I ended up risking the whole entire profit made from the last session, and we're almost up 1 to 3 on this trade. I'm going to click stop in profit. Let's go. Risk-free from last night. The trading session with A1 trades, we first went long, we closed out and made almost like 200 pips, I think it was. And then today, waking up to 300 pips. Let's go. Let's go. We're almost at 6,000, starting with $55 in 10 trading days. And what's even crazier, guys, is that A1 trades got funded $100,000 from the last trading sessions that we were doing together. Let's go. Yo, 3.0 trading view update for Prop from ALGO is going to be insane to see people make money with this thing. Just last night, 715 pips, A1 trades made, and passed his 100K challenge with 4 traders. Just look at this entry to the T, to the pip, barely any drawdown, and almost at a 1 to 3. Currently, we're at like 2.54. You can see right there. 1 to 3 would be like right here. We're so close to 1 to 3. Insane, insane. Really tight stops right behind that wick, which is highlighted in orange. Now, I'm going to close out this trade. I'm not going to hold it to just hit TP. It's right there. Yo, insane, man. Waking up to straight profits. Closing this thing out We have over 300 pips collected right here, and closing all trades with one simple click. It does not get better than that. Thank you, Prop from ALGO, for the first access on the 3.0 update, allowing me to show others what the new update brings and also improving my skill set as a trader. And this is all from last night's trading. ALGO Bros literally got funded $100,000 worth of trading capital with trading Prop from ALGO with the trades that he sent out himself in the Forex chat. Congratulations to A1 Trades. Let's continue to kill it. Okay, let's go over the stats. We have 4,968% gains on the account, starting with $55 in just 10 trading days. This is the power of prop firm ALGO, guys. And it's time to announce the giveaway. I'm going to choose 5 lucky people and give them $1,000 live funded capital with FX Live. So, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, go onto our Instagram, and share one of our videos and tag us. We're going to choose 5 lucky winners for the new year, 2025. We're choosing 5 lucky winners to give them $1,000 each of live funded capital. Don't forget that the 90% off for the lifetime membership of Prop from ALGO is coming to an end. And if you want first access to the 3.0 updates, then sign up today using my 90% off coupon code in the description. Thank you so much. That's all for now. Hope you really enjoyed this video. And if you did, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and Nokian is out.